and personal. Hey! So what is that, an ostrich? Oh, hello! No, this isn't an ostrich. What is this one, Mackenzie? Pretty good. Aw. See, he seems really friendly. I don't know why he's in the... Oh. Hi! Wait, what kind of bird is this, Mackenzie? Hi!
That's an African crane.
Oh, okay. Hi, African crane. Wow.
That's intense.
Yeah, it was just so weird. It was like, I thought it was behind there, and I look over and it's like, whoa, he's right here.
Hello.
Hi, African crane.
Hello.
Hello. I wonder, I mean, how do they interact with,
I don't know. The feathers are so pretty though.
yeah.
And then the feathers don't have a thing. They
Hello.
look like they have a little puff on the top of their head.
Yeah.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Oh. Okay, bye, African crane. Hello. Hi.
Seems like it's nice, but then it bites.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, he's in the biting section. Oh, whoa. Wait, I wanted to see that. Oh, can you do that again? Oh, there he goes. Wow. Wow, it's like getting his little exercise here.
That's so cool.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, now I just noticed the netting up there.
Whoa, I just noticed that too.
Yeah.
I guess that's pretty good.
Hi. Oh,
Hi. Hello.
This one likes to tease.
Yeah.
It goes, oh, I'll say hi to you.
Hi. What was he saying before?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird want a cracker?
Want a cracker?
This one's just like cruising around.
Yeah. Hi.